December 8th, 1941. Japanese forces invade the Philippines. Over the next 5 years, more than 400,000 Filipino guerrillas and Philippine Army troops would help American forces fight the Japanese. One soldier, Sergeant Jose Calugas, runs 1,000 yards under non-stop enemy fire to reactivate a demobilized cannon. For this remarkably heroic act, Calugas is later given America's highest military award, the Congressional Medal of Honor. Ironically, while hundreds of thousands of brave Filipinos stand by the Americans in the Pacific arena, none of the others would be given this honor. April 1942. The Japanese captured 75,000 American and Filipino troops in the province of Bataan. The infamous Bataan Death March follows. Under a scorching tropical sun and without food, water, or medicine, 650 Americans and 10,000 Filipinos died during the 65-mile march to San Fernando, Pampanga. In the prison camp, awaiting them, 17,000 more succumbed to disease, hunger, torture, and execution. Meanwhile, a valiant resistance movement emerges. Here is the story of one guerrilla fighter.
pasalin ang ritleran, automatic at masigan. Gay-gay ng mundo, bukit kapararan, tambayan natin pasistang Hapones na turisan. Huwag itahil ang baso, gutom uhaw, hirap, anto. Ang tulog natin sa kulod, walang banig, walang kubod. Maraming lamok, maraming langgam, ito ay dahil sa bayan. Sinisihil ng dayuhan, nagpupunwang kaibigan, pag-isay kahit ng pangangamtan. Kanyang ng buhay namin, gerilyero sa palaban. Hindi nabitigil hanggang palaya'y makamtan. Nais namin ay lumaya, itong bayan, aba. Bayan ay inihawa kung mapalayan, mapasista. Umanay tayo, gerilyero, naryan na sakit na hapon, ihanda ang pamulesa upang sila'y ating maligting. Hayaang pumasok sa ating bitag, sa puting sila hanggang mawasa. Paputukan, sabay-sabay. Burum-bum-bum, pa-pa-pa-pa! Ganyan ang buhay namin.